Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Nigeria. It has a rectangular body shape and divided into three segments. So you can see one green is on the right side and one green is on the left side, and the white part is in the middle side. So this is very easy and nice flag. After putting all the segments, I'm going to put the colors. Let's put the green color on the left side and fill it up with a solid and uniform colors. Alright, after doing this one, we're going to take care the right side. Okay, so you can see the solid color, the flag of Nigeria. This is very nice and easy. Only three segments, white in the middle and green on the both of the sides. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel and enjoy the drawings. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.